Hello YouTube, this is Engineer Pat again. They finally got this model railroad setup running. A little earlier this morning they were doing maintenance with us, and now I'm finally getting some coverage of the layout. HO scale layout. There's a turbine unit right there. I think. Man, look at the detail that has been into this layout. Old type buildings, bridges. Here's the coaling tower. Not a lot of coaling towers are around anymore from the steam era. So there's a coaling tower, and we have another train that's coming. It's another steam locomotive, as you can see. This is a present bridge. It's the Greenville Bridge was built in 1905 by the Pennsylvania Railroad. There's a Alco PA. We got a whole parade of trains coming. We got a race here. We got a race. Let's see which one's gonna win. Oh, the train on the right's got him beat. All right. Look at that. The Greenville Bridge still stands today, and it also underneath it is, I believe it's the NS Marsville line, where Conrail Shared Assets do some of the local switching. I'm going to get out of these people's way real quick. As you can see here, we got a yard up here. Comes that passenger train making his way around. Man, he is moving. Yeah. Here's a coaling yard with the switch. That's an Alco S2. Comes that long freight train you just saw. And here we have the yard. We have I don't know what that is right there. There's the Alco PAs. And here comes the passenger train underneath the coaling station.
Yeah, they've torn stuff down.
What do you do when you have
Building the track across.
Oh yeah.
Here's an upper deck. A couple of more steam engines. This is a very nice layout here. And this is right back where we started. So here's the kit, what they were using, and all the stuff they used to repair some of the track. And they're just getting the plexiglass back up. Here comes the freight train coming his way again. Give you a zoom in shot of it. Here comes the passenger train speeding right by him. Get out of the reflection. Incredible. This is just incredible. And up here is where they have all the Norfolk Southern heritage units to tell you a little bit about it. This was in the 2010 calendar or 2012 calendar. It's in one of those two. I believe it's in the 2012 calendar. I can't remember. I think it was 2012. They're right in the front cover, and it's right in the first page of the calendar. See, I've seen the Pennsylvania, the Reading, let's see, the Virginian, the original Norfolk Southern, see the Lackawanna that's up here, seeing the Jersey Girl, Interstate, the Erie, and of course the Conrail. Have all the rest of the other ones to go, so I have a long ways, but this is really nice here. So that is pretty much the museum. I hope all of you have enjoyed my series. If you guys have any questions about anything here at the museum, please leave me comments in the description boxes in the appropriate videos. Thank you all for watching. This is Engineer Pat, and I will be seeing you next time. Alright, this is Engineer Pat, out.